So we're going to go ahead and pull open a data set in Excel, and we're actually able to preview that data set being pulled from that Excel file. And what we are going to do is we are going to pivot this data here, which is in the unpivoted format. Now that we see what data we were loading, we can go into the pivot node and actually configure this node to properly pivot the data. We have two options up at the top to either pivot or unpivot. We're going to choose pivot. The next option is to choose the column in which we want to pivot on, which is the measurement column. And then we choose the value column, that is the value for that varying measurement. In this case, it's just value. Once we select those two options, we can hit preview to check to see what's going to be coming out of this node, and we can actually see that the pivot was performed for this data set. In the subsequent step, we're simply writing this data back out to Excel in a sheet called pivoted data.